This is the 1 Year Bible off of Amazon. This is a paperback, but it's very good quality. The print, I did not order a large print, but it's very easy to read. The pages are a decent, they're not really thin. They're decent size, and I didn't get this until later in the year. But let's see, we'll go to something recent. Yes, I do write in my Bibles. But every day they have something, they have different scriptures, and this would make an excellent gift for somebody. Excellent gift. 5 stars. Definitely 5-star.